Fishing is supposed to be relaxing, but not here. These are the most dangerous waters on Earth, where fishermen risk their lives for the ultimate catch. Would you dare to fish in these deadly waters? From shark-infested oceans to crocodile-filled rivers, today we're diving into the riskiest fishing spots known to man. Also known as the Dragon's Triangle, this mysterious sea is infamous for vanishing ships and unpredictable waters. Many fishermen never return. Would you risk fishing in waters where even experienced sailors fear to tread? The Amazon is home to some of the most dangerous creatures on Earth. Piranhas, anacondas, and electric eels lurk beneath the surface, ready to strike. One wrong move, and you might become the prey instead of the predator. Freezing waters, deadly storms, and waves taller than buildings, this is the Bering Sea, one of the most dangerous fishing grounds in the world. Only the toughest fishermen survive these brutal conditions. The Nile River might look calm, but it hides one of the deadliest predators on Earth, Nile crocodiles. These beasts have been known to snatch fishermen right off their boats. In these waters, you're never the only hunter. Lake Victoria may seem peaceful, but its unpredictable weather has led to thousands of drownings. Rogue waves and sudden storms make fishing here a deadly gamble. Many go out to fish, but not all return.